what is globe? So we have learned that globe is true model, means miniature form of the earth surface. It means that it describes about the earth surface. But if we know about the information about any small town, city or village, so what will we do? Have you ever thought this? Yes, I have thought that. Then I have answered that it should be map. Means if we have to know any information or any new fact about any small cities, towns, village, so we can use maps. Let's know what is maps. So map is a representation or a drawing of a earth surface that is drawn on flat surface. Friends, we have learned that globe is round, but map is made on flat surface. So, and according to scale, then it is called as map. But you know something special about map? As we all know that globe is round in shape and very big. That's why we cannot fold it or carry it from one place to another place. But map can be folded and it is in small in size also. So we can carry map from one place to another place. So that's why map is useful to us. And the map provides us more information on the comparison of globe. And third, map also tell us facts about some small cities, towns, village, etc. So this is map. And you know a very important thing, the group of maps is called an atlas. I think that you all know that what is atlas. So atlas is group of maps. We can know any maps in atlas. So but we have learned what is map. But you know maps are also of various types. So maps are of three types. Which one? First, physical maps. Second, political maps. Third, thematic map. Now we have learned the names of three maps. Let's learn about physical map. Map showing the natural features such as mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers, oceans, etc. Then it is called as physical maps. Okay friends? What is political maps? Maps are showing some cities, towns, villages, countries, states, etc. with their boundary. Then it is called as political maps. Okay? Let's move towards the thematic map. The maps that provide the specific information such as road maps, rainfall maps, forest, distribution of forest and industries, etc. are called as thematic maps. And the titles of these maps are based on the information that we provided from the maps. Okay friends? So now we have learned about thematic map as well. Let's move towards the components of map. Okay? So there are three components of map. Okay, let's know about the three components of map as well. So the first component of map is distance, and the second component of map is direction. Okay, what? First is the distance, second is direction, and third is symbol. Now we will know about the distance. What is distance? actual distance, and then it is called as distance. But before knowing distance, we have also learned what is scale. Yes, I am correct. Okay, so let's learn what is scale. So scale is ratio between actual distance, like this, actual distance and the distance that is shown on map. Okay, let's repeat it. The scale is ratio between the actual distance and the distance that is shown on map. I think that we have learned what is scale, but let's take an example to learn scale very properly. Okay, so suppose I am taking an example such as 10 kilometer. The distance between your school and your home is 10 kilometer. Okay friends, the distance between your school and your home is 10 kilometer. What? It is 10 kilometer. But distance is shown on the map by 2 centimeter. So you are confused that 2 centimeter is correct or 10 kilometer is correct. But then your mind goes on a small scale given at the downside of map, like this. There is a thing written that 1 centimeter equals to 5 kilometer. So like this, 2 centimeter is equals to 10 kilometer. So scale is very important in any of map. Okay friends? Scales are also larger scale maps and also smaller scale map. Let's know what is smaller scale map. If we have to represent any big countries or any big continent, so we will use small scale maps. Such as in small scale maps, 1 kilometer equals to 500 centimeter. Okay? Okay friends, this is called as smaller scale map. And what is larger scale map? If we have to represent any small town, city and your village, then we have to use larger scale map. So this is a smaller scale map and the larger scale map. Now we have learned properly about the distance. Let's move towards the second component. What is second component of map? Have you reminded? Yes, I have reminded. So the second component of map is direction. The second component of map is direction. Okay? Direction. Let's know what is direction. Okay friends? Have you ever seen any map carefully? I have seen. Then I have also seen an arrow at the upper side of map. Suppose that this is a map. Okay? And you have seen always at the arrow here. direction. Northeast, northwest, southwest, southeast. So friends, this is cardinal directions and we have to remind it because it is very important in any map to know the exact location of any place. So this is distance. But you know friends, there is an instrument to note distance and it is called as compass. Compass is very important instrument which is used. Let's know what is compass. So compass is used as for showing the direction of any place. There are two magnetic needles in compass. Okay. First needle always indicates the north direction and the second needle always indicates the south needle. So this is compass. Now we have also learned what is compass and we have learned the components. We have learned the various types of maps, components of maps.